Welcome to the Career Services Job Fair Strategies Workshop. Today we will discuss what we offer in Career Services, job fair tips and tricks, and ways to connect with us. In Career Services, we offer a variety of career supports to students, all available virtually. Our services include one-on-one appointments for job search assistance, resume and cover letter review, and mock interviews. We also host Kingston's premier job board, which is a monitored job board to ensure the safety of all applicants. Career Services also offers a variety of guides and resources to further assist you in your career development. Job fairs offer a unique opportunity to meet with employers face-to-face. It is important to come prepared to speak with employers. This means there is work to be done before, during, and after attending the fair. Before attending the job fair, your resume should be professionally edited. You can make an appointment with Career Services, even if you are just in the beginning stages of developing your resume. Second, it is important that you bring multiple copies of your resume to leave with employers at the job fair. Next, you should create your elevator pitch and practice it as many times as needed until it sounds natural. You can also book an appointment with Career Services to help with this. Another very important step before attending a job fair is to research the employers in attendance, know the mission, values, and philosophy of the company, what they do, and the positions they are offering. You can also prepare questions to ask based off your research. Make sure to also be prepared to answer questions, as some employers who are interested may conduct an informal interview on the spot. Lastly, be sure that your voicemail is activated and you're greeting professional in the event that an employer contacts you after the job fair. On the day of the job fair, arrive about 10 minutes early. Maintain a neat, clean, and professional appearance as if you were attending an interview. When you get dressed that morning, reflect a bit on your comfort level and the nature of the job fair. For example, if you are prone to heating quickly when you are nervous or in crowds, wear lightweight clothing. Only bring a professional bag or purse with you, one that you might also bring to work. It's also a good idea to maintain fresh breath, so mints are always handy. Check in with how you're feeling and your body language. Are you stiff and serious? If so, try to take a deep breath, smile, and relax yourself. When meeting with employers, be sure to introduce yourself. When you offer your resume, it should be clean and unwrinkled. Recall the research you conducted on the company before attending the fair, and customize your conversation with each employer. Check in with your body language again to ensure that you appear enthusiastic but relaxed. Lastly, ask questions. This can include questions about the company, position, the employer's business card, or before taking any items from the table such as pens, notepads, or candy. Here is an example of what you might wear to a job fair. Note that it is important to avoid strong fragrances. This is something you will encounter in many workplaces, as an increasing number of workplaces are now scent-free. If you need assistance obtaining professional clothing, please reach out to us at Career Services. Following the job fair, you can send a thank you email and continue to network. You can connect with employers on LinkedIn, but make sure that your profile is complete first. Even if you are very eager to begin working, it is important that you keep calm and respectful when reaching out to employers. If you're interested in attending a job fair, keep an eye out on our events page for upcoming fairs. Here is a list of do's and do nots. Can I chew gum? We recommend that you do not. Chewing gum can affect your pronunciation and distract your listener. Do I have to bring a clean and updated resume? We recommend that you do. You want to show the employer that you are neat and organized, which provides a glimpse into what your workspace might look like if you're hired. Can I bring food in with me? We recommend that you do not. This can be very distracting to employers and other job fair attendees and can be avoided by eating before or after the fair. Is it okay to rush around a bit to ensure that I meet with all employers? We recommend that you do not. You want to ensure that you appear interested and are actively listening to what the employer has to offer. Should we ask for a business card? We recommend that you do. This shows your interest and also allows you to reach out to send a thank you note following the job fair. Can I ask about the pay scale? We recommend that you do not. Pay scale is a question that you might ask after you've had an interview. It is not necessary at this point of your job search, since this is primarily an opportunity to network. Is it okay to answer my cell phone or respond to messages while at the fair? We recommend that you do not. Similar to an interview, you should not answer your phone during this time. If you are expecting a call that could be a serious emergency, kindly excuse yourself before answering your phone or messages. Is it really that important to be polite and smile? We recommend that you do. Your attitude and demeanor provide an insight into what it would be like to work with you, so this is a great time to let your polite and friendly nature shine. Thank you for listening. If you'd like to get in touch with us, you can email us at careerservices@sl.on.ca. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, where we share job opportunities, upcoming events, and much more.